I personally feel like credit in America is one of those things that keeps us so invested in this game of trying to get ahead. And while yes, operating in America is absolutely imperative that you have a decent credit score if you want to have any level of ownership or success. I mean, it's kind of one of those things that after being removed from the system for a while is just a way to kind of keep you zoned in on numbers that outside of America don't really matter. So in this video, I'm just gonna address the facts that credit score doesn't really matter once you leave America. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ashley. And on my channel here, Ashley in Africa, I talk about all things moving, living, and doing business on the continent of Africa. If you're interested, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you're not new here, welcome back. So I've been talking a lot about finances, financial readiness, being prepared financially, and having the confidence to move abroad. And a lot of people are telling me, hey, I gotta get out of debt. I wanna be debt-free before I leave America. And I'm like, what country in this world is debt-free? While yes, I definitely do promote being a good steward over your finances, having a level of responsibility and maturity when it comes to your credit is going to be something that allows you to have financial success in the long run. But getting out of debt, child, please, who do that? Where do they do that? I mean, salute to those that have done it. I personally have been debt-free before, been in deep debt, then, debt-free again. And the reality is most of the business people that I know, they operate in debt. The biggest countries, the most powerful countries in the world, they operate with debt. And that's just the way that things have been done for all of our lifetimes. And so, you can absolutely utilize many credit cards here on the continent, but for the majority of the countries, it's a cash society. So having access to both is important, but student loans, I just wouldn't focus on spending another 2 to 3 years in a society that is, 1, extremely unsafe, 2, very expensive and getting more expensive, and 3, invested in a system that is going to make you spend more than you're able to save for not leaving and trying something new, right? That's my personal opinion. That is, how I talk to clients and saying, hey, that student debt's gonna be there, put it on, deferment, or do what you have to do, right? But live your life, not based on paying bills. And when I talk to my brothers and sisters here on the continent, many of them just don't understand the concept of debt because credit isn't something that has been introduced widely across the continent. But it's also not something that cripples the people here. I mean, they pay things as they go, but they know ultimately that they're going to be provided for and that all is well and that God will provide. And so having that level of confidence and really assurance of self is what is going to help you. Your credit score in America rarely is going to affect you here on the continent. There are a couple countries that are introducing mortgages for foreigners, and I believe that some of them are double checking, what that would look like in the US. But ultimately, if you've got the cash and you've got the resources and you're able to earn those resources, that's what you need, not the credit score. So you can go on ahead and delete that Credit Karma app, do what you can, but don't let it keep you from your dreams. If you're looking to learn more about how to be more financially ready, financially prepared on your journey to move abroad, please be sure to click the link below in the description to register for the Expat Expense, which is the ultimate financial blueprint to living abroad. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until next time.